Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching the physical and wireless options. Identify whether your display accepts HDMI, USB-C alt mode, or a wireless receiver like Chromecast. Once done, pick the correct adapter or cable to avoid signal conversion problems, and make sure your phone supports video output. Some phones require USB-C alt mode or MHL. If using a wireless dongle, connect it to the display and a power source. Now power both devices and move to the connection step. Now connect the hardware. Plug the cable into the phone and the display, or open the wireless casting app on your phone and select the dongle. Once connected, switch the display input to the matching port, and if needed, change the display resolution or scaling to avoid letterboxing. On the phone, allow any permission prompts for USB access or screen casting. If the image doesn't appear, cycle the input or reinsert connectors. Loose connections are the most common issue. Finish by choosing how you want content displayed: mirror for identical screens or external display mode for separate content, and set audio output to the display or a connected speaker. Once the layout and sound are correct, lock rotation or set display sleep preferences to avoid interruptions. If you see a blank screen, reboot both devices, try a different cable or adapter, or toggle USB or casting modes. These steps resolve most issues quickly and help you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.